everyone, good morning. Today is Sunday. Because I'm in Philippines, you have a other month. I can speak Indonesia, Korea, Japanese, or whatever I want now. So we need to start over my... Wait, everyone. That is so mean. It's so heavy. It's jackets. It's familiar to me. What do you like? The Black Ninja or the Barbie one? Oh, you want the Barbie one or you want the Ninja one? Okay, let's explode it and you will see it. You will see in part 2. Okay, bye bye lovers. Please subscribe.